Good morning. So for today's video, we're going to troubleshoot a breadboard. So this breadboard is from our customer who claims that the breadboard is defective. So for today, we're going to test the contact points of the breadboard and see if the claims of our customer is right. Okay, so first let's put out the breadboard. So for this test, we're going to use our multi-tester in continuity mode. So to switch to continuity mode, we're going to turn the knob on to this resistance, die test, and continuity test. So we're going to select the continuity test. You can see here the like a Wi-Fi symbol here in your tester. So to test the continuity, I have here the probe that I have an alligator clips with a little bit of soldering. I connect these uh, jumper wires to the alligator clip so that we can attach this to our probes like this, and for our positive like this. So for continuity test, if we shorted our connection, our multi-tester will sound off. Okay, so for this breadboard, we will see if we will probe some points to see if the breadboard is not really working. So let's start with the circuit area. So to test the breadboard, we will probe one from here, and let's try this. So the connection is fine. You can check our YouTube tutorial about how to use the breadboard to see the connection of our breadboard itself. So for the circuit area, we have the columns here connected. Every column here connected, but it is not connected in this middle part. So for the power rail, we will going to test if the positive line is continuous and the negative line is continuous. So for the positive, okay. So let's continue in this part. So as you can see, our breadboard here has disconnected in the middle. So for this kind of breadboard, MB102, uh, I think that the breadboard is not connected in the middle since the line is broken in the middle, like this. So I have here a sample of another breadboard that is connected continuous. So as you can see, let's test this. It it has a connection from end to end. So this kind of breadboard MB102, I think there's two variations to deal with. So if you have the first variation, uh, you can see that there's a disconnection in the middle part of the power rail, while the other variation is continuous. If you see this line, the red line and the blue line, the blue line is continuous and the red line is continuous, so it means that the power rail is connected from end to end. While if you have this breadboard, as you can see, the middle part is broken, so uh, the connection of the power rail is disconnected from the middle part, and then so you have four power rails disconnected from each other. So okay, so if you happens to have this kind of breadboard, so our breadboard seems to be supplier dependent. It depends on what the supplier gives. So if you have this breadboard and you need the full length of the power rail, you're just going to connect some connection here and here. So let me show you. All you have to do is get some jumper wires or wires and connect it in the middle, and then for the negative line, so this is what you're going to do if the breadboard you have has the variation of disconnected power rail on the middle. So you can use now the breadboard with continuous power rail. So as you can see here, so for my conclusion, the breadboard is not defective but needs some jumper wires if you need the power rail continuous. So you have two variations of the breadboard, one with the continuous power rail and one with the disconnected one in the middle. So either case, you can still use the breadboard on your prototyping. You just need some connection of the power rail. So I hope this helps, and If you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates on how to prototype the easy way. So that's it for today. Bye bye.